I am craving for pasta today, but don't have that much time to make it in its authentic way. Well, no worries, I have a fabulous idea to prepare my pasta in hardly 5 to 7 minutes with no oil, no pasta sauce in an absolute healthy way. Come, let's see how. Take a medium-sized carrot and peel it properly. Then wash it under running water and chop it off. Then take one onion and chop it finely. You can also take bell peppers, capsicum, green beans, broccoli, whatever vegetables you like. Now take a pan and start dumping in all the vegetables along with the seasoning. So here comes the onion, then carrots. I'm taking some frozen corn kernels here. Now here I have roughly crushed 2 tomatoes. You can also take canned tomatoes. Then add 1 cup of any pasta you like. I'm using elbow macaroni here. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and salt as per your taste. You can take whatever Italian seasoning or mixed herbs you like. Then turn on the gas stove and add 2 glasses of water to it. Keep the flame to high and stir and mix everything together. Now, as I already said, there is absolutely no need to add any oil in this recipe. I am still adding 2 teaspoons to give little bit of glaze to my pasta, but that's not at all needed here. Once it reaches the boiling temperature, give it one more stir and wait until the water reduces and reaches the pasta level. Once the water is reduced, simmer the gas and place the lid for a few minutes. Then in hardly 4 to 5 minutes, open the lid and pasta would be almost ready. So if you want, you can check for the seasoning and adjust any herb or salt if you feel like. Now add in handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. And last but not the least, add in generous amount of cheese. I am adding shredded mozzarella cheese here. You can also go for a blend of few cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella and parmesan. Then simmer the gas for 2 minutes and place the lid until the cheese melts completely. And that's it guys, your cheesy, gooey, delicious pasta is ready in just a blink of eye. So just try this instant pasta recipe and don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for vegetarian and vegan recipes from all around the world. Take care. Bye bye.